Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you fix Google Merchant Center suspension? So, a lot of you guys might have experienced suspension, especially when you've been on the Google Merchant Center account here. You've been, basically on the business for quite some time. And the very appropriate answer to this is that you have to provision your account, because if your account is not provisioned, like the rules and regulations, if you don't follow them, you'll get what you deserve, basically. So that's just it in terms of the violations that you are going to be facing it there, and the violations that you're going to be basically avoiding. Just make sure to see all those warning signs, and when you do get violations, just make sure to basically cope up and make amends with those violations. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.